Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and you are safe online. And I'm a cybersecurity expert. And I actually personally noticed a trend for malware infection, and it is very interesting actually trick about some of these malware designer and the way they try to infect your machine, and cause some kind of damage. Um, I was actually looking for a video editor software, a free one on YouTube, and I come across with a YouTube channel that seems to be very legit, with around 300,000 followers at the time. And the guy was actually introducing and advertising a free video maker, software that actually is based on AI. So I was actually curious about this software, and this guy actually put the link in the description of his channel, and I actually saw the link. But when I go there, the app wasn't actually on the App Store. For I use Mac, for example, it wasn't on App Store. And then I found, okay, that could be a red flag. So before I download that, I found the link of the DMG or installer file, a binary file, and I use like some antiviruses, like virustotal.com. It's a website, and actually they have like various, maybe I don't know, dozens of different antiviruses engines, so you don't need to have them all. And I actually give the link of that DMG file, and it turned out there was a virus there actually, and the type of virus was a kind of tricky one, that they are like double side thing. I mean, many antivirus engines may not show that, but some of those they show it, because it's a piece of code that allow the owner of the software, the server behind the scene, to inject their own malicious code later on. And while you install the software and maybe things are okay, at some point, you receive that malware part from the server, and it injected on your machine. So it could be anything. It could be a malware, ransomware, whatever, a keylogger, any kind of malware. So I just want to tell you, be careful, when you see any software, even from large YouTube channels. They might, maybe the owner of channel also doesn't know. I mean, not necessarily they contribute to that. Maybe they even don't know. Maybe they have some affiliation thing, and they might actually introduce you some kind of malware. So you got to be very careful. Use this virustotal.com or similar, software, similar cloud services. You even don't need to install anything on your machine, and check, give the link or the binary before clicking on that, before executing on that on your machine. Give that, upload that there, and make sure there is no any malware there. Because if they are not from App Store, that means they haven't shared the source code of the software with Apple. So there is something, maybe they hide it, right? So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you like it, follow me, give it a like, and write your comments. So stay safe and bye.